I'm from Unity Performance. Behind me we've got Adam's 2018 HFP SI Coupe. We just finished with the TSP Shortblock build, ARP head studs, 271W2 ball bearing turbo, full fuel system upgrade with Accord injectors and high pressure fuel pump, and obviously the full bolt-on stuff as well. So we're here at Tuning by Nick in Mississauga. He's the one controlling the rollers, and then Derek Robinson, D-Rob at IMW. He's remote tuning in from Pennsylvania. So let's see what the car does. We did do a baseline, and the baseline yielded a 275, 255 right off the gate. So that was pretty good to see, see what the base tune did. But we're expecting somewhere in the mid 300s with this setup. We're going to be tuning for ethanol as well as water meth. So stay tuned. So just to give you an idea about the baseline, as you can tell, 275, 255 right off the bat. So we've done 3 runs so far on the Unity HFP, and we have finally cracked 300. So that's a pretty good accomplishment for just 93. We haven't yet added ethanol or meth, so the next few runs are going to be dialing up with methanol and ethanol. So let's see how she does. The setup can support somewhere between 360 to 380 wheel. Let's see if we get there with all the fueling. We'll even be happy with 350 wheel, but we'll keep you guys posted. Right on the money. I said 325 and it made 326 and 298, so it hasn't cracked 300 yet on wheel torque, but really nice graph. That's one of the best dyno graphs I've seen of just linear progression. Awesome. Crack the 300 wheel torque mark, and step it up to ethanol, I guess, because we're maxed out on meth. Alright guys, really solid so far. As you can see, had some pretty consistent runs. We finally cracked 300 wheel torque, so right now with 93 plus, we are at 331 and 302. We're gonna mix in E30 right now, so that is 30% ethanol, and these numbers should jump yet again. We're gonna probably go up to E35. Let's see. The car should be able to handle it. I think the turbo will run out of steam before the fuel system and everything else runs out of steam. Let's see how she does, but one of the most beautiful dyno graphs I've seen. Just consistent increase run over run. Guys, we just did our first run with ethanol, and look at that insane jump over run 6 where we maxed out on the meth. So 361 wheel horsepower, 332 wheel torque, 30 wheel horsepower and torque just off the bat, adding ethanol to these cars. Once you guys have these cars set up for ethanol, my god, do these cars pull hard. That is incredible. So we've got a couple more runs. Let's see if we're gonna get up to 370, maybe. We were gonna be happy at 350, and just on the first run with ethanol, we're already at 360, so this is going really well. That is 370, 337. Incredible. Guys, and there we have it. Adam, how happy, look at the happiest guy in the world. Unity Performance. There you go, Unity HFP. Boom, let's check it out. 369.81, rounded up, that's a 370, and 337, 373, 338. So 370, 338 on the Unity HFP. Look at the chart. Absolutely beautiful. Let me just go back over here. Car did phenomenal. The setup is awesome, and looking forward to taking this car out for test hits.